welcome back to the Yukio channel. We're bringing you some more content today, this time for the IS300. We're finally doing something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, ever since I got this car, which is top mount big turbo setup. So right here we got a 6162 VS Racing turbo. We got a 11 gauge stainless steel top mount manifold and a VS Racing wastegate. It's kind of a budget setup, but these turbos are known for being pretty good for what they are, and I guess I'll have to find out in practice. So I have high hopes. I got everything here that I need, all the flanges, V-bands, drain flanges, AN lines, everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
How long do you think it's going to take you to do this?
I have no idea. Hopefully not any longer than 4 hours, but we'll see. Alright, intake's off. First step.
Intake.
Next, I guess we'll go ahead and tackle the blow-off valve, and then see what we can do to get to this J-pipe, and maybe this first elbow here as well. Yep, just as I suspected. Oil in the intake. This is also another reason why I'm doing this, is because this turbo is on its way out the door. So anytime you got oil in your intake system, usually typically means you might be running into problems with your turbo. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing out of here, upgrade to something better and bigger. So yep, more evidence of oil here all around the little blow-off valve spout. Okay, go. Blow-off valve is off. Should kind of do that later. You can even see like the whippage in there. See how the streaks run like that? Because the cyclone effect of the turbo and the air whipping through. It's like streaks of oil going in a diagonal line. All inside the elbow. We're really gonna see now how this turbo is doing. There's a moment of truth for this. Oh yeah, you can see all the oil on there. Bunch of oil. Not a happy turbo. That works. Okay, there we go.
You're just so fucking efficient, Jeremy. You beautiful bastard.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I said it. What's it to you?
What's it I'm going to take off the supporting bolt from the J-pipe back here next to the firewall. Try not to damage anything. That's easy. It's getting super loose now. Okay. We'll feed angel bolts. Let's compare this real quick. Quick look. This is going to be the right fitting. Yep. Should be it. Same size. Just kind of worried about all this. As I pieced this turbo kit together, I didn't actually buy this whole thing as one kit. So some things a little iffy on, some things I'm pretty confident about, so we're just going to see as we go.
Yeah, I was on 529 just now. I was lined up with a C7Z.
Oh shit.
I went from third gear. I was like, oh, I'll do a 60 with you, fuck it. And we went and I double clutched in the fourth, bro. We were neck and neck the whole way. I was like, oh shit, this shit was
C6Z?
moving. Yeah, no, C7Z.
Oh shit.
It might have been stock, I don't know, but I was
What
dead
the
even with
fuck?
them.
Wow.
I was like, oh shit, I was like, okay.
Now, where's that flathead? You said I dropped.
Where we took it out.
Oh, you took it. Okay. Where
It
is
was a
it?
Phillips.
Oh, it's a Phillips. Oh, where's the? I need my flathead. Where's my flathead?
Flathead's over here.
Oh,
Here you go, dog.
thank you, sir.
Right, knock out Bobby Kiss.
Literally the first time I saw it.
Here, let me smack your ass with my dirty hands.
Oh, might as well.
On camera. I like it.
That's what this is, right? A 4.0?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. It's not the same as yours, though.
Close to it.
That's 6 cylinders.
Same material.
Material though.
Retarded? Oh, wait, what?
I'm talking about the material, that's why.
Oh, yeah, no, hell no. I'm not using that. I'm using stock.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, I was
I
like,
said yes though.
after, yeah, I was.
Oh, okay.
We're like,
No,
you using
yeah.
this?
I was like, after
No.
you told me not to use mine, you're over here using yours.
No,
I was
no,
like,
I'm not gonna use it now. Sorry. My bad. Just trying to be a dick to Sebastian.
It's alright, because even after this big turbo, he's still gonna be behind me, though.
So you want to update your car?
Yeah, now it's basically full bolt-on, just no manifold, but I'll have a ported 18 manifold I'm picking up. Hopefully
No
next
manifold,
week.
no power.
Hey, we can line it up whenever. No, yeah, it's full bolt-on, the 85 now, pretty much, so it's decent. No longer sounds like a truck, you know.
Fast boy now.
You know,
Hella fast.
it's been slow for
fastest
5-6
it
years.
used to
Yeah, we're gonna go for some power though.
Shit, finally made it.
I don't know, it took long enough. Way too long.
It took like 6 years.
Right, just get full bolts on.
Just to get full bolt.
So many people come through that shit. Like, finally.
So stock clutch.
You still in stock
clutch?
Did you? Yeah, just still in stock clutch, which I don't think is gonna make it, but
Yeah, I don't think so either, dog.
we'll go till it doesn't.
Where is it?
It's taking a straight piss, bro. Holy shit. Yeah, they made their cooler look red so it looked like blood. I was like, yeah, because it drinks the
Red
blood of
because
your
his
enemies.
car is red.
Just like all his other cars.
Yep. Yep.
You don't know why.
I don't know why either, dude. I
His
just
favorite
get
color
good
is
deals
blue.
in red, bro.
Favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue, but every car I've ever gotten, I've gotten a good deal on it, and it's always been red. It's not on purpose, I swear. I just don't know. It's weird.
Maybe your real favorite color is red.
Nah. It ain't. Shit. Now I need some long needle nose.
You got
there we go.
There goes one wrench. In the coolant.
Damn, Jeremy, you got dark.
Is it good to pull out or what?
It's ready to come out now.
Oh, you're right here.
Just gotta maneuver it. Alright, I got it. Okay. Finally fucking time to get this piece of shit out of here.
There she goes.
There she comes. Alright. Alright. What, CT26, right? That's what it is? I can't remember the name.
Is it 26 or 15?
CT15?
I
I think it's CT26. I think that's the seat.
I think the Jay-Z's 26. I think the 15's the same.
Yeah.
No, I think I have a CT 26. I think you have a...
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Whatever it is, it's fucking gone.
Stock Jay-Z turbo. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not Jay-Z. One Jay-Z VVTI.
Want to see how much shaft play it does?
Here, wiggle it back and forth.
Oh, that's what they mean by shaft play, huh?
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Quite a bit of side to side.
It's supposed to be
Got a
like
little in and out too.
completely, in place, right?
It's supposed to have a little bit since it's a journal bearing, but not a whole lot. Look at this shit. Okay, I'm doing.
So it goes right?
That kind of makes sense, right?
Does make sense.
Yeah, it kind of makes sense.
Look at this.
We
He
just
made
turned the
everything
turbo around,
connect.
right?
Yep.
That went inside of there?
Look at this.
You got that to fit in there? What the? Oh, what the fuck? Jesus Christ. I was like, how the fuck? Wow.
So it goes right?
Looks like some kind of fucking weird ass animal, bro. Some like sea creature or some shit.
They don't know about that.
I don't know. That's how you make the real power.
I don't think they want to know about that.
What are y'all doing?
I don't fucking know. It's Legos, right?
Oh, so that's how that goes.
Yeah, it's a dump pipe. Goes whap, whaps. That's how it works.
Interesting.
You guys know that's how a turbo system works.
Just like this.
Just like this.
Yep. Intake to the turbo. It has to be this U shape though.
Yeah, and this goes on the intake manifold. That's where you get the boost from.
You made me want to kill myself. Jesus Christ. Okay. Alright guys, so everything's out. Still gonna remove the downpipe, stock downpipe, but that's gonna be easy. Just gonna go ahead and throw everything together and give you guys a little cinematic playthrough while we do that. Don't want to bore you with any more slow assembly process, so let's get to it. Alright, what's up guys? So, it's been quite some time since we last did I guess a section of this video. In the past few weeks, some very unfortunate things have taken course around this car. Essentially, what happened was I couldn't find an oil feed fitting for the turbo, and so it took me some time to look for that, and that's originally why we had paused the video, because we couldn't continue the build. And once I found that, I actually got coronavirus, so I had to be in quarantine for a good week and a half or so until I tested negative. And unfortunately during that time, I had received the fitting, I fixed the car, I got everything put together, it ran great, it ran perfect. And then all of a sudden, one day I was out driving it, and keep in mind the car is only on 9 PSI, nothing crazy, and being that stock is like 12 PSI or whatever on the stock turbo. And so I'm driving the car around, did some pulls, and all of a sudden one night, I did a pull, and I noticed a knocking and a slight feeling in the shifter. So I pull over to the gas station, and then I pop the hood, manipulate the throttle with my finger here under the engine bay, and sure enough, we hear the disastrous sounds of what's potentially rod knock. I don't know if it's rod knock or potentially a bent rod, because it's inconsistent, it still has good oil pressure, so at this point it's still kind of a floating mystery. So today what we're going to do, we're not going to make a video over it, but we're just going to kind of, I guess, troubleshoot the thing and see, maybe if there's any glitter in the oil, anything like that, and just kind of see where we're going to go from here. Potentially, we'll probably have like a build series around this car in the near future, being that this problem arose. So stay tuned for that. More content on a 1JZ build probably coming up. I'm going to be moving into a new house soon, so I'm just kind of waiting on getting that garage, and then I can go full ham on this car, and we'll see where it takes it from there. So Thanks guys for tuning in. Thanks for keeping up with us. So if you want to see more 1JZ content, be sure to check us out. You know, stay updated, and we'll see you next time. Peace.